Flight 949, this is air traffic. Got an unidentified object in your area. You see anything?
Tower, you are not going to believe this.
Six Flags launches Sky Screamer, a high-flying 24-story spin at over 40 miles an hour. Save up to $25 at SixFlags.com. Or for the best deal, buy a day, get unlimited visits all summer free with a thrill pass. Go big. Go Six Flags Great Adventure. Go big at Six Flags Great Adventure. Go faster on the world's biggest coasters like Kingda Ka and El Toro. And go higher on the new Sky Screamer, a high-flying 24-story spin above the clouds. Save up to $25. Or for the best deal, buy a day, get unlimited visits all summer free with a thrill pass. Go big. Go Six Flags Great Adventure.